Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to view the previous meetings of Zoom. So now you will need to open your Zoom desktop client and sign in with your Zoom account, or you can just sign in with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. After that you will see this home page here, and now we can follow these steps. So basically we need just to click on the meeting buttons, and here we will find two options. There is the upcoming and there is the recorded uh, meetings. So basically to see some previous meetings you will need to be uh, recorded meetings. So here you will find all the meetings that you are recorded, and they can be in the past or now. It depends what you have here in the recorded. Also, there is another way is by going to your Zoom web portal. So you need to go to your Zoom web portal and sign in. After that, you will click on my account, and here you will find an option that is called meetings. So here you will see the previous meetings. You can have them here, so you will see only the previous ones but not the recording. To see the recordings, you will just go here, and you either have cloud recordings, you will have them here, and so you can play all uh, the recordings, or if you have some local recordings you can open them too. So basically, either you want to watch or only see informations about like the meetings, you can just go to meetings and previous, and you will see all the meetings that have been scheduled in your Zoom account, and now you are able to see all the previous meetings. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.